Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order, your life, your journey, a lifestyle that fits for you. In today's video, guys, we're going to go over my 2021 self-care and pampering routine. So the first thing I like to do, you guys, is to read one chapter in the Bible. And right now the book I'm reading is the book of Psalms. And then after I do that, I have to listen to something inspirational, either on my TV or on my phone. I have to listen to something. So here lately, I have been listening to The Secret. If you have not seen it, you have to check it out and just let me know in your opinion how beneficial this actual series helps you. The next thing I like to do is drink me some water. You guys, I am a water connoisseur. Your girl got to have her water in the morning. I have water on the left side of my bed, the right side of my bed. I have water everywhere. So I definitely got to make sure that I drink my water first thing in the morning. Another thing I like to do in the morning is to check my blood pressure. I have been trying to do better with checking my pressure because I had an episode probably about a couple of months ago. So I just like to make sure that my blood pressure is up to par. And this is one thing that I definitely have to do in the morning. The next thing I like to do is to go ahead and moisturize my face, you guys. The next thing I have to do is take my good old vitamin C. You guys, this is a supplement I take every single day. I have to have my vitamin C, and I also drink about 4 ounces of orange juice, but I am definitely a vitamin C connoisseur. I have to have my vitamin C every day. And of course, I'm going to apply my favorite lip balm, which is Carmex. Gotta have my Carmex, you guys, because this is my #1 moisturizer. The only moisturizer I use on my lips. So in today's video is very special, you guys, because me and my sister actually went and got us a massage on this particular day. If you guys are in the Atlanta area, you need to definitely try Treat Your Feet. So now we're back at home. We're about to take us a nice bubble bath, and I have to have my Dr. Teal's foaming bath and pure Epsom salt. You guys, it is so amazing. That bath was wonderful. So now let's move on to my actual facial process, how I actually like to deep clean my face. I got this steamer from Amazon, you guys. I've had it for quite some time, and I think it was like, I don't know, maybe $18.99 or something like that, but I absolutely love it. So let's get started, you guys. Let's have us a couple of sips of wine, because we're about to wind down tonight, get relaxed, do our facial cleanse. And so I'm gonna walk you guys through the process. So with the steaming, I typically just do this about not too long. I don't do it a very long time, but you guys, I have to watch myself because I really love this face steamer. Comment below and let me know if you guys are like that as well. So once I do my face steamer, I go ahead and apply a clean towel. You guys have to have a clean towel, and just to wipe that moisture just off my face, because you guys, you'll be surprised how much moisture you just have on your face just from a long day. It can be, you'll be surprised. So I like to go ahead and get that wiped off. So now we're going to apply my actual face cleanser, and I'm going to be using some Neutrogena. I've been using it for quite some time. Used them for a while. I really like them, you guys. So now we're going to get the scrub in. You guys, this is not my favorite scrub brush, but you know, it does the job. I do want to invest in me another one, one with a more high speed and density to it, because this one, it really doesn't have it, but you know, it gets the job done. Yeah, I might pay $10 for it, okay? So hey, it is what it is, but like I said, it does gets the job done. And I can say this is probably one of, besides the face steamer, this is probably one of the most parts, the most parts that I like about the whole cleansing process is actually scrubbing my face. So I really do like it. So now we're gonna just clean this off really good. And it's amazing how you just feel so refreshed after you clean your face. You feel so good. It feels so good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my deep cleaning Astrodent on one place, and I like to use this. This is what it feels like. It's kind of like an alcohol to me like another just form of deep cleaning, just trying to get down in those pores, deep down in those pores. So I apply this on my face, and typically I let this sit on my face for a little while, just a few seconds, not that long, and then I go ahead and just rinse it off. So now you guys, our face is so clean. It feels so good and so wonderful. So now it's time for us to apply a moisturizer. So I'm just giving you guys just a few of the moisturizers that you can use. Here's the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. You also can use some good old Vaseline as a moisturizer as well. You also can use some good old baby oil, which is good for your face as well. You can use that too. And you can also use some Palmer's cocoa butter. This is my everyday go-to, you guys. This is what I use as a moisturizer on my face in the morning and in the evening. I absolutely love this moisturizer. My skin feels soft and smooth when I apply it. And it actually, gets rid of my blemishes or anything like that I have on my skin. But this is what I use every single day. So I actually love this moisturizer. Comment below and let me know what moisturizers you like to use on your skin. Also, I'm not going to use it in this video, but I also like to use the actual face massager. I like to use that one as well. I'm not going to use it, but if you guys want to use that to just massage your face, I typically do this. This is like the last thing I do actually after I apply the moisturizer into my skin, and so you can actually use that as a face massage. It feels so good. So last but not least, you guys, your girl gotta put on her Carmex. Gotta have my Carmex. You know how I feel about my Carmex. My number one and my only one moisturizer that I use. So cheers, you guys. Thank you for watching my 2021 self-care and pamper routine. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Now you guys get you a glass of wine, enjoy yourselves, relax for the remainder of the evening, and I will see you guys in the next video.